How to download Minecraft for free on Windows. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be discussing about how you can easily download Minecraft for free on your Windows. So first thing, simply head over to your any of your browser and just search in for Minecraft download. So make sure you head over to this website, which is the official website of Microsoft Minecraft. So once you tap on it, just click on it and wait for some time, and once inside their homepage, all you have to do is just click on this games section and just select this option which is called try Minecraft for free. So once inside here, you will get a free trial version of your Minecraft, but for the original game, if you want the original version of the game, you can get it, but you have to pay some amount for it by simply clicking on this buy now button over here. So since you want it for free, you can just head over to this option called try Minecraft free from over here and just scroll all the way down as it says keep scrolling for the free edition trial. So once you scroll and reach here, just tap on this download button over here, and once you download it, the file will be successfully downloaded and you can just install this Minecraft installer, the exe option file, and you can play Minecraft just like that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to channel. See you on the next one.